Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the no bowl slime challenge, and I think this was a trend a while back and I wanted to do like some sort of challenge video. So basically I'll be making slime without using a bowl, so I hope you guys enjoy. So the first slime that we will be making is fluffy slime, so I am just pouring in my PVA glue and adding a bunch of shaving cream to make this slime fluffy, and I'm also adding 2 drops of purple food coloring. And then once everything was mixed together, I added in my activator, and I kind of over activated it because I'm so used to making big batches of slime. I'm not used to making like small batches. Next, we will be making foam, so I'm just pouring some of my PVA glue onto my table. I'm adding a few of these white foam beads, and then 2 drops of blue food coloring. Then the last slime we'll be making is butter slime, so I am pouring my PVA glue again, and then I'm just activating it with some borax activator. And then once it formed into slime, I am adding a block of yellow Daiso clay. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I also want to start doing more like slime experiments and slime challenges on my channel. So comment down below some video suggestions that you guys want to see, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!